All right, so we are here. It's the neighborhood, but we're on the other side, you know, on the other island. But we're out here. I am with my son Lucas. He's the middle boy. He's 11, but he was like, let's go film a video. So I said, sure. But it's super windy, so that's why we're not out on the kayaks right now, because we didn't want to get knocked over. So we're gonna see if we can catch some fish out this way. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. Never really just hung out on this island. And I don't ever really see a lot of people out on this one, so I'm assuming by the lack of traffic that's over here, whoa, that the fishing's probably not as good, but we're hoping. Okay, so I have one rod, my Lew's Classic Pro Speed Spool on my Ozark Trail OTX, all right? And then Lucas is over here with his Shakespeare Ugly Stick Light Pro, the Grip Bite. It's his crappy rod. You know, he's got the Flashback Mini with the silver head, silver blade, with the green and chartreuse Bobby Garland on it.
I might go right there.
Oh, okay, go ahead. And then I have here a little underspin that I'm going to attempt to catch some things as well. So, but that's what we're working with. We both literally have a bag of baits and one rod. So just don't want to get too close just yet. But since it's so windy, probably gonna use like a chatterbait or something. I might change my bait. It's too much. All right, so we're gonna switch already.
So hopefully, once I get right here, I can throw around and I'll catch something. If I get snagged, I'm gonna be mad. There's a crate in the water. Better try to put that. Where's that? Right there. Nothing on it. Good.
See it really nicely in that water. Picked the wrong one. There's just too much wind, and when there's wind, you need that flash. The water's like, it's clearer than I thought it would be. But I don't want to put some flash on this guy. Switch it up again. It's a 2.8 Kitech right here, and I'm hoping that it gets us a bite.
Bro, dang it. Dad, I had one on.
You did?
It was a bass.
It was a bass. Dang. You let go? Oh, you gotta lightly set the, you gotta set the hook. But good job, man. At least we know they want that flash, small flash, that vibration. But keep trying. All right, so still got an underspin, so let's hope we can see. It's a 3/16 ounce. That's what I'm going to say. Oh, ooh, I saw him. He was right there. No way. No, yeah. I just had one strike at it. That was cool. I saw him come up. Just need him to actually eat it, not short strike this guy. Dang, dude, all up on me. No, you're good. You're good. I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you. You're fine. That's good. Hold on, Luke. I keep hearing yours sounding funny. Let me see your rod real quick. Yeah, it's fine. Just let me see. It's sounding. Oh, see, you have a wind knot, dude.
Hole right there, yeah. Is that a pile of deuce? Or is that a crawdaddy? Oh, I don't know. Gotta go check.
Okay. More grass. I can feel it. Dude, that thing got in the grass so quick. If that's the case, it's pretty shallow. But that's why I say that I think that this side would be a great side, like this area from this side and on that side would be great for spawning. Dang, more grass. Got one. No way. Oh, and that's a nice one. That's a nice one too. Oh man. That's a decent one. That is a decent one. Nice. 12-pound line. The underspin. Nice. Here we go. Nice. First fish, dude. That thing's in there. It is in there. Nice. First fish, man. Oh, dang. There we go. Little guy. Oh, 1 pounder right there. Nice.
How long do you think he is?
About 12, maybe 13.
Dang.
You know, 12, maybe 13 inches. Nice. Nice fish. Sweet. First fish. Let me set the pole down. All right, let's let him go. First fish of the day. Thanks for biting, dude. Oh, nice. That was cool. That was cool. Just right out there by the grass. It's right out there on this tiny under. Oh, he took my tail too. He took the little tail. Not bad. Let's see how it does without the tail. Cool. So the wind is blowing on this bank. I know you guys can hear it. And that's where that fish came up and smoked this thing. Okay. Try this little spot right here. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, I got turtles over there. Oh gosh. Okay. I see, okay. See if we can. Right. Oh my gosh. Dude, he came up out of nowhere. I thought he had it too. Oh, he took the tail. It should. Looks more natural. Well, it blends in. Oh, he came out of the. No way. Oh, there's some casting room. Nice. Nice little. Hopefully. There we go. That's one. Yeah. There we go. That's a bass. Oh no. There he goes. I tried to flip him up. That was my fault. Alright, my kid disappeared. Why does he do that? Can't take him nowhere.
Well, Dad.
Huh?
Well, I had to cut it.
You had to cut it? It happens. It happens just fine.
Like it was on like a branch, and then like I took it off. But as soon as I took it off, like it went inside like a little hole under the ground.
Oh,
So like,
okay. All right, that's fine. I don't have another snap swivel.
what's that?
The thing that the little snap that you were using. All right. If that doesn't work, guess we'll try a different method.
What different method?
Try the old bobber jig method.
Oh yay! I don't know what that is, but alright guys, I'm gonna try over here. I'm about to steal my dad's spot that he was just at. Yeah, that's a good spot. Ah. Got one! I got one! Got it! Let's go!
Is that your first catch?
Yeah.
Nice. That's a good deal.
I don't know.
It is.
It is?
Look at belly. It's a bluegill.
Oh. Hey, slow down a little.
Dude, that's a big old bluegill. Oh my god. It's okay. Here. Look, that's how you get hooked. So hold them up. Yep. You have little fingers. Just lip them. He's fine. Nice. Cool. Let me see him. Hold him up. Nice little bluegill. There we go. Lucas's fish. Cool. That's so funny.
Thanks for biting. It's kind of getting a little too hot. Might jump in.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's where you're at right now?
Yeah. Might do it. Should I? Have you got one?
Is that hot for real?
Yeah. Here.
Dude, chatterbait. I mean, you can put your feet in, but don't actually swim.
That's what I'm not actually
Put
about
your
to
feet
say.
in, whatever. Just, you're not actually swimming.
I know.
No.
Hey guys, no feet pics. No feet pics. Ah, god dang. Come with me. Oh! Oh! Ah!
Oh my god. Is it cold?
A little bit,
Yeah.
not that much. I was just trying to stand right there.
Yeah, I know. The green stuff is slick, bud.
Ooh,
Be careful, man. You got that GoPro on you.
yeah, I'm not about to fall in the water again. Got 2 pairs of glasses on. You want these?
No, I'm good. Hold on. Sweet, another little bass. Great.
4 total.
All right. Well, are you done? What's up, bud?
Are you ready?
Ready? If you're ready.
Yeah.